Hey there. Today, we're going to see how to check if a string is vowel balanced. That is, whether the first half and the second half have the same number of vowels. Here's the function called isBalanced. It takes a string as input. First, we define a set of vowels. Notice it includes both lowercase and uppercase letters. Using a set makes it super quick to check if a character is a vowel. Next, we calculate the length of the string and find half of it. Then, we split the string into two halves. The first half starts from the beginning, and the second half takes the last characters. We also define a helper function called countVowels, which counts how many vowels are in a string. It works by checking each character and counting only the ones that are in our vowel set. Finally, we compare the vowel counts of the first half and the second half. If they match, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. For example, if our string is racecar, the first half, RAC, has two vowels and the second half, car, also has two vowels. So isBalanced, racecar, returns true. And that's how we can check if a string is vowel balanced. It's a neat trick using sets, string slicing, and a little counting magic